Essential understanding. I can explain why two fractions are equivalent even though the numerators and denominators are different. In this lesson, we will be using multiplication and models to find equivalent fractions. Look at the bar model for 2/3. What happens to this model when you divide the total amount of parts and the parts that are shaded by 2? Equivalent fractions name the same amount but have different numerators and denominators. This bar model is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. The shaded section shows the fraction 2 out of 3 or 2/3. The second bar model is divided into 6 groups. The denominator of the first bar model is partitioned into 2 parts. This gives us 6 total groups. Just like the denominator, the numerator or shaded parts will be partitioned into 2 parts as well. The shaded part or numerator will now go from 2 parts to 4 parts shaded. Because we partition the numerator and denominator by 2, 4 6 has 2 times as many total parts and 2 times as many parts shaded as 2/3. Therefore, both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 2. 2/3 times 2/2 or 2 halves equals 4/6.